You ever been in class, holding in a cough like it's a federal crime? Like your throat is on fire, lungs doing the Macarena, but you're too scared to cough because it's dead silent and you don't want to be that person. So you sit there trying to breathe through your eyelids, turning red, blinking out Morse code like
Send help.
and the second you even clear your throat, boom, everybody's head turns like you just screamed bomb in a movie theater. Once you finally give up and cough once, your body's like,
Oh, we coughing now?
and hits you with a whole combo pack. Suddenly you're hacking like a
75-year-old smoker in the middle of a calculus lesson.
and the teacher's looking at you like you brought the plague. And the kid next to you, scooting away like you're patient zero? Bro, I came here to learn about triangles, not get publicly executed over a tickle in my throat.